Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's go. Let's get into the unboxing. Right at top, we're greeted by the iPhone 16 Pro, now featuring a larger 6.3-inch display compared to the 6.1-inch Pro model from last year. A subtle but noticeable upgrade. Beneath the phone, we find essentials, a USB-C charging cable, and a SIM card ejector tool. Apple has also updated the box design this year, keeping it sleek and minimalistic. Finally, we have the usual documentation and a quick start guide. However, one thing is missing. There are no Apple stickers included this time. The new iPhone's design features thinner bezels than any iPhone before, with a 6.3-inch display versus last year's 6.1-inch display. Apple has also introduced a new camera control button on the side, which allows quick access to specific camera modes, offering a more intuitive photography experience. As always, cameras are a major focus. The iPhone 16 Pro introduces the second generation 48 megapixel fusion sensor, which allows zero shutter lag for crisp photos in any lighting. The ultra-wide camera now supports higher resolution macro photography. A 5x telephoto zoom is available in both Pro models, offering incredible flexibility for capturing subjects at distance. The iPhone 16 Pro now shoots at 4K 120 frames per second, which allows you to get crisp, slow-mo footage. You can even adjust playback speed after filming, adding a creative flair to your edits. Powered by the A18 chip, the iPhone 16 Pro delivers lightning-fast performance with improved efficiency, meaning apps run smoother and battery life lasts longer. In fact, Apple claims that the Pro model offers the best battery life ever in an iPhone. Now let's talk about Apple Intelligence and the new Siri UI. Apple is making huge strides in improving how Siri interacts with us. The new UI is cleaner, more conversational, and is much more intuitive. Siri now gives more detailed, context-aware responses, making it feel less like a robot and more like a natural conversation. One of the coolest features is how Siri can remember past conversations, so that if you ask how's the weather today, then follow up what about tomorrow, Siri can understand connection and give you a better answer. Plus, Siri is getting smarter with app interactions, suggesting helpful actions based on your habits. Also, image generation, such as Genmoji and Image Playground. But if you would want to know more about these features, visit the link in this description where I talk about all the new features available in iOS 18.1 with Apple Intelligence. Other features such as visual intelligence are also available, which works when holding down the camera control button, which is exclusively on the iPhone 16 Pro. And it's similar to Google Lens and lets you search up an item or ask ChatGPT about it. In short, Apple's AI is making Siri more responsive, smarter, and overall a lot more useful. Now let's look at the new camera control button on the iPhone 16 Pro. Apple's added this button to make it easier to access camera modes without needing to navigate through the app. A single press of the button opens the camera app instantly, allowing you to capture moments without delay. By double pressing the camera button, you can access a menu of camera controls such as zoom and tone settings, enabling you to fine-tune your shot composition on the fly. Pressing and holding the button activates video recording, so you can immediately start capturing footage without navigating through on-screen menus. You can customize the button's behavior in settings, choosing between single or double press to open the camera app, and adjusting the pressure sensitivity to suit your preferences. That said, while the feature is convenient, it's not entirely new to the smartphone world. Other devices have had customizable shortcut buttons for years, and Apple's approach here feels more focused on photographers. If you're someone who values speed and ease of access, you'll appreciate this addition. For others, it might feel like a small quality of life improvement rather than a groundbreaking feature. Apple's also introduced a feature called Audio Mix for video recording, letting you fine-tune your audio after capturing the footage. Whether it's isolating voices, mimicking studio-quality sound, or creating a cinematic mix, it's a game changer for content creators. One of the coolest features of the iPhone 16 Pro is called photographic styles. Think of these as built-in presets that make your photos look exactly how you want, without over-editing or losing natural details like skin tone. For example, if you pick rich contrast style, it makes your shadows deeper and your highlights pop. On the other hand, vibrant style boosts colors, making your photos more lively and perfect for things like sunsets or cityscape. You can preview how the style looks before taking the shot. These styles also work across all lenses, so whether you're taking a selfie, a group shot, or close up with the ultra wide lens, your photos will have a consistent, polished look. It's about giving you creative control while keeping the process easy and fun. Apple's also made significant improvements to battery life, especially with new AI and optimization features. With now 27 hours of battery life, according to Apple, the iPhone 16 Pro has the best battery in any iPhone yet. In terms of design and display, the iPhone 16 Pro features a slightly larger 6.3-inch display compared to the iPhone 15 Pro's 6.1-inch screen. This increase is achieved with slimmer bezels, maintaining a compact form factor. However, this also makes the iPhone 16 Pro slightly heavier, weighing in at 199 grams versus iPhone 15 Pro's 187 grams. The iPhone 16 Pro is powered by Apple's A18 Pro chipset, offering enhanced performance and efficiency over the 15 Pro's A17 Pro. In terms of the camera, significant upgrades are present in the camera department. The iPhone 16 Pro introduces a 5x optical zoom telephoto lens, surpassing the iPhone 15 Pro's 3x zoom. Additionally, the ultra-wide camera has been upgraded to 48 megapixels from 12 megapixels, enhancing detail and low-light performance. A notable addition is the physical camera control button, providing quick access to the camera, a feature absent in the 15 Pro. Moreover, the 16 Pro supports 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, doubling the 15 Pro's 4K 60 capability. The 16 Pro also does support visual intelligence because it features the camera control button, unlike the 15 Pro, which does not have that feature, though both phones do have Apple Intelligence. In terms of battery life, thanks to the larger battery and efficient A18 Pro chip, the 16 Pro offers extended battery life, ensuring longer usage between charges compared to the 15 Pro. The 16 Pro is equipped with a new modem for improved connectivity, enhancing call quality and data speeds over the 15 Pro. In summary, the 16 Pro brings a larger display, superior performance, advanced camera capabilities, and new features like the camera control button. And that's all in the new iPhone 16 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Peace out.